Today I am reviewing the XOTIC Project Zero gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're on the hunt for a high-performance gaming desktop that combines power, speed, and stylish design, the XOTIC Project Zero Pano Ghost gaming desktop is an impressive choice. This pre-built system is tailored for gamers and content creators who want a reliable, fast, and future-proof machine that can handle everything from everyday tasks to intensive gaming sessions and photo editing workloads. Starting with the heart of the system, this desktop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 700X processor. It runs at a solid 3.8 GHz base clock and can turbo boost all the way up to 5.5 GHz, making it incredibly responsive and powerful. With 8 cores, this CPU handles multitasking and heavy workloads with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing high-resolution photos and videos, the Ryzen 700X provides the processing muscle to keep things smooth and efficient. The combination of high clock speeds and multiple cores makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want a CPU that won't bottleneck their GPU. Speaking of the GPU, this desktop comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card featuring 8GB of GDDR5 memory. This card is part of NVIDIA's highly regarded RTX 40 series and offers great performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming. You'll get smooth frame rates and beautiful visuals with ray tracing support, giving you more immersive and realistic gaming experiences. The RTX 4060 also excels at supporting creative workloads, such as video rendering and photo editing, thanks to its powerful CUDA cores and AI acceleration. Memory-wise, the system includes a whopping 32GB of DDR5 RAM. DDR5 is the newest standard of RAM, offering higher speeds and greater efficiency compared to DDR4. This large amount of memory allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously without slowing down your system. Whether you want to game while running background apps or edit large files in Photoshop, 32GB of DDR5 ensures everything runs without a hitch. Storage is no less impressive with a 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This ultra-fast storage solution dramatically reduces boot times, game load times, and file transfers. Having 2 TB means you can install a huge library of games, software, and multimedia files without worrying about running out of space anytime soon. The NVMe interface ensures blazing fast read and write speeds, which greatly enhances overall system responsiveness. Cooling is an essential part of any gaming desktop, and the XOTIC Project Zero Pano Ghost delivers here as well. It features a high-performance 120mm RGB tower cooler designed to provide maximum airflow and keep your CPU temperatures in check. This efficient cooling system allows you to game for long sessions or push your CPU hard without overheating or throttling performance. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a sleek and modern aesthetic to your gaming setup. The motherboard powering this build is the MSI B650M Project Zero, a solid choice that offers good expandability and reliability. Coupled with a 750W Gold certified power supply, the system ensures stable and efficient power delivery, protecting your components and maintaining consistent performance. One of the biggest perks of choosing XOTIC is their 3-year parts and labor warranty combined with free lifetime technical support. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, expert help is just a call away and repairs or replacements are covered for an extended period. Plus, this PC is assembled right here in the USA, which often translates to better build quality and quicker customer service. Running on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, you get the latest operating system optimized for gaming and multitasking, along with enhanced security features and user-friendly interface improvements. In summary, the XOTIC Project Zero Pano Ghost gaming desktop is a fantastic option for gamers and creators looking for a powerful, well-cooled, and stylish PC. With a strong Ryzen 7 processor, RTX 4060 graphics, massive DDR5 memory, fast NVMe storage, and reliable power, this system delivers smooth performance for modern gaming and creative tasks. If you want a pre-built PC that's ready to handle demanding workloads out of the box, backed by solid support and warranty, this gaming desktop deserves serious consideration.